Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in and watching today. This is going to be a install and review of the Kargo Master JK and JKU door hinge steps. So got a set right here, and they're going to be going on the Jeep, on the passenger door, and on the driver door. All right, let's open it up, see what we got, and we'll get to installing. See how long it takes. So, got two of the hinge steps, some hardware, and some type bushings, and these look like the bottom plates. Some instructions. Everything that's supposed to be in the kit, so you can verify that you got everything. And step-by-step mounting instructions. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first step per the instructions. Make sure the doors are shut and locked. Alright, then we're going to be using a Torx bit, the T50 drive, and we're going to remove the bolts. So we're going to start with the top two ones. We're going to remove those first, and then leave the bottom two in place until we're ready to secure the bottom bracket in place. Alright, so here we go. Got the Torx bolts out of the door. So one thing you'll notice is that when you do this, the way Jeep paints the Wrangler is that they spray with everything in place. So you're going to see some paint breakage around the bolt and inside here. So if you do it, don't really go too hard when you first loosen the Torx bolt. Just go nice and easy. You'll get a good break around there, so it won't really be too bad. So hopefully it doesn't come into the hinge. Alright, so the next step is to get the included bolt, lock washer, and a flat washer. Got my hinge, my damp, the little rubber gasket, if you will. Those guys there. That's going to go right like that, and then right up here. So we're going to secure that now. Allen wrench. Alright, so I got the tops bolted in here, the steps in place. So the front and side door bolted in, all good to go. So now we're going to start taking off the bottom bolts, and then put on the bottom plate, connect that here, and then put that into the door as well. actually to mount the bottom bracket first. Once that's in place, then we're going to secure the full main bar to the bottom bracket. So same thing, use the damper behind, like so, and 2 bolts. So after doing this side where I only put 1 bolt in initially, and then I set the first bolt and the second bolt, it's actually easier if you set both bolts through the mounting bracket and the gasket piece. Get them in there and then start each one, and then you can alternate while you're tightening. I found that actually doing the other side a little easier. Alright, so got both of them installed. It's about 35 minutes to install both of them. So when you're driving, the cleats go in the up position. When you need to stand, you just fold it down, like so. And then you can step on here and access your roof rack. Because I have the awning on this side of the Jeep, and then we're putting surfboards and some of our totes on there. This should definitely make things a lot easier. So yeah, that was it. It's pretty simple. The instructions were straightforward. All the parts are included that you need. Again, the only thing I would suggest is just be careful when you initially break the paint around the Torx bit. But other than that, very easy, very simple, straightforward install. So each box comes with 2 of them. I got these off of 4wheelparts.com. I'll put the link down in the bio below. I think I got them for like around $72, and it was free shipping, so it was a pretty good deal. I think you can also buy it off their website, and I think it's like $79. So I think between $70 to $80 is the going price for a set of 2. So if you got a 4-door, obviously you need to buy 2 sets. If you got a 2-door, you only need one box. So leave a comment if you have any questions you want to ask about the install, and subscribe below, follow along. We'll be doing more installs on our Jeep as we get ready for the upcoming spring and summer, and getting it ready for baby number 2. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.